So, um, this is my bid list, and I'm really excited about it because this time I decided to do a different strategy and not bid. So I'm waiting till tomorrow at 3 p.m. And this is really exciting because only two of these have current bids on them. So this is a one way or a strategy if you're new and you're wanting to bid for tax deeds. This is one way. You do have to do a deposit. However, you don't have to bid if you're not sure. But for those that have paralysis analysis and you're kind of like afraid to actually go into doing tax deeds, this is one way that you can start. I'm not too familiar with banning. I actually know Riverside's a good place. And I feel like land is really good to sit on if you buy it cheap, depending on the development and the zoning and all that stuff. But just wanted to show you my bid list. And I actually haven't bidded on anything because I'm going to wait till the last minute and see if anybody else bids. And hopefully I could get some of these properties really cheap. Like, for example, this current bid is $2,000. This one's $617 for two residential lots. And that's the current bid. So, yeah, this is my bid list. Just thought I'd share.